welcome back to another episode in Stampys!
Hello, everybody!
World! With me and Johnny's over there because he's in the stupid lockdown. So, I'm getting so much frame lag at the moment, so if you crash, it's my fault.
Because of the amount of sign.
Yeah, I forgot. Signs crash your game, John. So, because there are so many signs, Minecraft has to load so much documentary. So basically, you're making the world lag even more and more and more and more. So today in the love room, we have about like 20 billion people to add because now we're starting to add people from Instagram. If you haven't already, go ahead and go check out our Instagram down in the description below. So today we're adding,
And then just to know that you're our viewers, please also send us a message saying that you're one of our YouTube viewers.
no,
and then we will happily follow and
nope. Do not DM me. Don't. You can DM John, but not me.
At least you can do it to me.
Comment down below saying that you are one of my viewers, and then I'll add you straight lickety split into the love garden. So today I'm adding Nickel Pickle 25, Nabin Nehico, Duvi Barazart, Abby from Wii Sports, Asa me woohoo, Briar from Wii Sports, Claudia SS55, Mr. McMeepers, Diego Delgado 153,
Mr. McMeepers! I recognize that name.
Don Senil, it's Marian AG, Jace Wisha, Scuff Corner, LGL Official, Miniface Brad, Misaki from Wii Sports 1996, Nancy B. Garcia, Nancy 94214, 4K Fam TV, Silk the Emo Girl, Sophia Acosta 77, Sixi, Catel A66. Oh no, Catella, not Catel A. Catella 66, Sixi from Wii Sports, she has 2 accounts, and Yoko from Wii Sports.
No, actually, CC doesn't have 2 accounts. It's 2 separate people going back.
Oh, so John.
No, wait.
Is adding Jihoon, Pedro, Haru, Abe, Adrian, Leonie, Andrea, Donna, Anna, and Carla Catella. Oh, just like me. Angela Lizano, Asami, Natty Gamer Girl, Alex Nintendo Gamer, Ashton Almengor Fontanez, Barbara BDZKMN, Ben Gand. It's John.
Ben! What?
Ben Gond.
What?
Burned.
Why are you looking?
Burned. Brent. Marius. Carson Lenz. Claudia, same one that you have, one more brilliant. Christina Mayer.
That,
Daniel.
no, Oh my! The same one that you have is Claudia SSS55. That's the one I mean. I'll change it later.
Christina Mayer, Daniel Zikura, Daniele Volcano, Danielle, Marit Marie, Don, Donna Whitney, Dr. Jelly, Do, Giacomo Genova, Guilia, Harry Bond, Jackson Booth, Isaiah Cobble, Googly, Jerika, Leonard, Jerry, Catherine. Oh, I've seen Catherine. That's one of the Miis that you have on my Nintendo Switch, John.
Yeah.
Kaden,
So
Kemi,
shout out to her.
Kaden, Kemi, Striker, IGL Official, Lisa, Rosia,
It's
and...
LG.
Shut up!
LGL.
You are muted. You are...
It's LGL, not IGL.
I just said LGL, you stupid deaf person.
You said IGL.
Lozia and Maria, welcome to the Love Garden. Now, John, you're going to have to start putting this.
But there's gonna be much more because I ran out of signs. Oh no.
My God. Anyway, today we're not playing any games. Well, we are if we.
And I think everyone right now is like, and unclicking.
Today we're
Yes.
going to
All they want to see is for fun.
Today we're going to be adding our panda.
I need more time.
We're going to be adding our pandas. Yay! Okay, let's start building the room. We already have Chickadee's room, which is in the top. Where should we add our pandas?
Oh no! Oh no! The people that I have to add.
The Love Garden is over there. What's over here? Maybe we should have it underground. Okay, we should do it underground. So I need my shovel.
Just like the underground things that we haven't shown you because we don't have enough people yet.
Let me lower my render distance.
Wow, lag.
How come you get lag right after I lower my render distance? I literally just lowered it and all I heard was lag. Stop it with the TNT.
I don't even have flint and steel, so you don't even have to worry about it.
But it did away. So yeah, I'm going to need some torches. Dye, produce, junk.
Homer, since it's becoming winter soon, why don't we do snowball fight? I failed so miserably, I hate myself. Look what's on your head.
I don't care. So yeah, today we are going to be doing. I'm going to build it over here. So come on, Johnny. Where are you? Oh my God. This is perfect. And then I break this. John, can you do me a favor and go look for Can you go look for more? I need you to look for more torches. What are you doing? Ugh. You idiot! You idiot! We're supposed to be doing work. I got.
No! Thank you. I was trying to say, I got a puffer fish. Gimme. 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 That's what I got. Give me my puffer fish.
We're supposed to be doing work.
Then give me my puffer fish first.
Fine. Come over here then. Good. Now you can.
Jeez, thank you. At least I'm
Can
getting
you
it.
start mining, please? We need to mine out a lot of the ground. So, do you have a pickaxe?
That's the one thing I don't have out of my multi-item inventory.
Multi-item inventory.
Literally the only thing I don't have. I have everything except the pickaxe. Literally.
Well, that's gotta change.
Thank you. But I also need torches. I have like what? Oh, I don't have any torches.
Behind you! Never mind. I'm gonna go see if I can get even more materials. Let me just get some first.
Wow, that's loud.
Wait, look at. Okay, now wait. Well, while you get. Now, while you get the cobblestone, we need to add more to the cobblestone room. So here, let me help you.
Iron!
We're here to build a panda, John. Not to get iron.
But I need to take the chance. I got all the iron.
Nope. Okay, don't mine over
What?
there. Don't mine over there. That leads to the big pond thing.
Too late. I already did.
There's water. Ugh. John! Okay, we need to mark where we're not supposed to build. So we're not building there. Or mining there. Okay, that's it. Wait, that's it. Because the ladder's over here, so... Did you not hear me? That's it! There, did you hear me now?
I know, but what's these? What are these?
Fine, let's mine a little... Okay, that's it. Okay, let me just mine a few more there. Ah!
Oh!
Silverfish! Oh, this is all infected. Oh. Okay, stop. That's infected. John, I told you that's infected. Stop mining
I'm trying to
it!
get. Ow! Why don't you kill the stupid silverfish?
Because I wasn't the one who got them. I'd stop mining.
Oh, why did you put your fish in? I'm trying to kill a stupid silverfish.
There. You mine the ground because we're going to. Ow! We're going to need to put grass. So mine the ground and then I'll mine the top.
Okay.
It's nice to start building in Stampy's world, isn't it?
Yay. Sure.
Not that down, John!
Iron! Wait. What? I found something secret.
You found the secret cave? Oh.
Yeah, and then there's redstone down
And
here.
then there's a. Why is there? What is this? TP P2. Oh, I know what this is. This is the teleporter. Yup, this is complete. This is totally the teleporter. John, this is the teleporter. So you basically mine to the teleporter.
Oh.
Oops. No, don't mine over there. Don't mine over there. You don't listen, don't you? You prefer actions more than the simple no. Reminder, this is Panda's not mining journey. Do I seriously have to do everything around here?
If I don't listen, go, I know.
Why do you not listen? Do you have an ear infection or do you just do it for fun? Okay, that's done. Okay, almost done. Almost done.
Almost done, goofing around.
Why is all this infested?
I don't know.
All the silverfish love stone so much. All of this is infested.
Oh no, I don't know how to get back up.
You're all coming, John! Ugh, I hate
See, baby!
Ah! All the water's coming. Where are you? Where did you go, you stupid idiot?
I'm down here!
Ugh, what are you doing?
I'm still down here.
But why? We don't need anything from down there.
You said that we should mine down. That's literally what I'm doing.
Ugh, you're so delusional.
Why do you think I'm always delusional? No! See? And then when I'm not
We're supposed
you teleport me. This is why I don't want to nerd pile up. That's it. I'm not nerd piling up ever again.
Sure. It was blocked off anyway, John. Anyway, I'm gonna keep mining up. Nope. Ugh, more water.
No!
John. One, two, three, stop mining! Let's mine down so we can put some grass. You see? Look at you! You're just going crazy! You're just mining everything in your way! We only mine one block down, John. And not to the side, okay? Mine one block down. I said stone mine! There!
There's nothing here!
There's nothing here! Okay. So, let's do this. And let's put more grass. Okay, don't mind that. John, I ran out of grass. You Okay. Your job is to put in more grass. So can you put more grass?
What? It's glitching out, so I can't hear you.
Can you
Ugh.
put more grass? Can you put more grass? Here, I'll mine you.
I don't have any grass.
You should have a stack
No, I don't.
in your inventory.
I did search my inventory. There's nothing there. Oh, I have to eat now. I have to go. I'll be back in a moment.
Take your time. Okay, so now that John's gone, I can get more grass. Let's go to this corner.
Wait, are we? I'm back. I'm forgetting. Are we doing a YouTube video right now?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Why am I so forgetful?
Why is there stone bricks here? Oh, this is the well. We dug out to the well, John.
I fell back down to the huge mine.
Yeah, because
The silverfish pushed me.
I'm almost done.
He beat me back.
Aren't you neural piling up?
I'm tired of Nerpilot. No, no.
You died from a
What have you done?
What?
There's water inside of where I am. Never mind. Help me. Help me.
There. You can get up now.
Get up. What do you mean I can get up now?
All you have to do is neural pile up.
Doing the one thing I hate? Are you kidding me?
How do you hate it?
It's annoying.
How is it
Because
annoying?
every time I do it, it's for nothing.
The only annoying thing here is you.
What do you mean the only thing annoying here is me?
And sometimes Minecraft cats, because they meow too much. And the certain individual says,
And
I meow
also
too
because they
much.
stand on chests, and it's annoying because then you can't open it.
And a certain individual says, I meow too much. Huh.
I know.
Ow.
I want to make a team me on my 3DS.
Okay. John, why are you just standing still and doing nothing like you always do? I heard a pig. Okay, the scaffolding like this, and then scaffolding like that. And then
Ow, my head! What?
No! Okay, let me just break a few.
Oh, nice near the water. Maybe I got this here.
Candy McTree Pants is gonna love this. Okay, let me just fill the area with bamboo absolutely everywhere. John, you have some scaffolding too. Can't you use some?
Yeah, I have a lot.
Yay! Let me just get more bones.
Yay!
Should be here. I got 33.
No!
John!
I hate myself. I hate myself.
There should be a stronger word than hate.
Despise?
Sorta. Loathe. What about loathe?
No, that doesn't sound strong enough.
You loathe yourself.
No, still doesn't sound strong enough. Making cute little baby twinkling as a me.
You guys heard it. Sky Den episode 32. John is the most annoying person on earth. Is just Johnny is the most annoying person on the
Oh man,
John is the
the
most annoying
person.
Can we both say our intros at the same time? Let's see what that does. Okay. Ready?
3, 2,
1.
1.
Hello, everybody! Welcome back to another episode in Skyden with me and John. Today is no, the one on your channel, not the funniest moments. No.
No, my intro's funniest moments always. Because you are a big fat idiot and an annoying person.
I'm not a big fat idiot. I'm not an idiot. I'm not fat.
You are. You're chubby. Like Twinkling and the certain individual. Everyone I know is chubby.
So everyone in the world is chubby, but John is not chubby at all. Have you ever thought that you're the one who's chubby and you're just blinded by your chubbiness that you don't think anyone else is chubby?
Speechless.
What you doing down here? Are you decorating it even more? Yeah, you are. Good job, John. Your pandas are good. I love this. Oh, you put it in the wrong way. Over here is stop! John! When I say you're doing a bad job, that's because you're doing a bad job. Now stop it!
I don't have any more scaffoldings.
Good! That's the last time I'm giving you that scaffolding! Great! What's next? Soon I'm going to have to...
Why did you give it to me in the first place?
Soon I'm going to have to stop giving you every object in Minecraft because you can't control it. It's like you can't even control Minecraft at all. I think we're done. I don't think you even needed this fence. Huh. Okay. Pandy McTree pants. Okay, this one. Now, you
At
ready?
this point, I don't think I'm even making tween.
You're totally Luca.
And he's smiling too!
You're Sniffy.
It's sniffly.
Sniffy. Get ready to see a lot of dead pandas. You're Penny McThree pants? Oh, I feel so bad killing you. Okay, now it might take a while to get TT. It's gonna take so long to get TT. You do the killing and okay. So we don't accidentally kill one of our pandas. Let's go over here.
Yeah. No, that's someone! No, that was gonna be Penny McTree pants.
We already have a companion of 3 pants.
No, because the one in Skyden is sad and we killed the sad one, so.
Angry one!
Oh my god, it's.
There's so much crying. That was Brett! Ah! Luca, you're fired. We already got a better Luca. You're the best Luca in the world! Look at you!
Little baby. He's even better than cute. He's even better than cute little baby tween.
John is kicked out. Anyway, let me continue. Okay, this is a sick one. Oh, come on! Is there any browns? I need a brown panda! No, Luca, stay away! I am drowning in cuteness. Luca, don't get in the way when I'm swinging my freaking sword. Angry alert! Everyone get ready for lot of crying. Oh my. This is gruesome. Out of my face! I need to get TT. Which one of you guys are hiding TT? Okay, this is getting too unbearable, so I'm gonna turn off my sound. Which one of you are TT? You're not TT. Found you! I finally found TT! Sniffly TT! Yes, I finally found TT, Panty McTree Pants, and Luca! Oh, you're so cute! Well, guys, that concludes it. We're done with the Panda Room! Yay! Okay. Now I can get rid of all this junk. Okay, now let's see if John is good enough. If John is good enough to come back. Well, he doesn't want to come back. So, guys, I guess we're not going to be able to play any games today, which is sad. So, in the next episode, hopefully, John comes back and we will be working on Bean Bean's bedroom, which would be absolutely adobs. Won't it? I think this should be Bean Bean's bedroom. Yeah, room of no requirements is not Bean Bean's bedroom. So, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this episode here in Stampy's Lovely World, and I'll see you all in the next one. Good. Bye.